Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking on cooking the hot pot, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that, cooking up dope in the crock pot.
Yozung GT650R. The GT650R is a renowned motorcycle throughout the globe for its great reliability and performance under budget. This beast sports a 647cc 90-degree V-twin engine which produces 73 horsepower and 61 Nm of torque. Triumph Speed Triple. This Triumph Street Fighter carries an inline 1050cc 3-cylinder motor which produces 125 horsepower and 105 Nm of torque, and it's no doubt why it sells so much.